Guys, welcome back. Today we'll be configuring a VoIP using our router and our switch, and we'll be using two IP phones. We can do more than that, but we'll just use two basically. As I said in the intro of this video, one of the IP will be named Davido, the other will be named Wizkid. I'm having problem with my mouse, so you take this particular router, the one with 2811, because of the features. The feature of this router will allow you to configure a VoIP. Most of the routers will not allow for those configurations. So get our switch, we drop our switch, then we get our cable, we connect the two together. Let's use fast Ethernet 1. Let's use fast Ethernet 1. So you go to your CLI on your router, click on the CLI. Okay. Normal, enter, enable, conf t, you name the router, hosts, let's name our router VOIP, voice over Ethernet protocol. You click. So now what you'll be doing here basically is you start the configuration. We'll start by we give the interface and IP address. Int F01 IP add 1.0.0.1 to 55.0.0.0, right? Okay, oh that's right. Then you enable it, no shutdown. If you check, the link light has turned green, so you go back. Next phase of the configuration. The next phase of the configuration, you say IP DHCP pool VOIP. Network, like using nets 1.0.0.0 to 55.25. Sorry, we are using a/8 network 0.0.0. You enter. Let's see. Our default route will be our default routes. Sorry about that. Our default route will be 1.0.0.1. Then you bring option 150. This will allow this will allow the VoIP to work. IP 1.0.0.1. So finish the second phase of the configuration. Now we'll configure a telephone service. Then you exit from this phase. Then you telephony dot service or slash service or dash service. Okay. um, Telephony service, then you the maximum number of phone you want to configure. If it's 10, if it's 20, if it's 5, if it's 15, you just if phone electronic phone, let's say 5. Max number of that number, max dn 5 2. Then what again? IP source address, IP. Okay, I think it's IP source. It has been longer I did this configuration. Address 1.0.0.1. And our ports will be 2.0.1. Then you next line of configuration, auto assign from 4 to 6. Okay, assign is double S. Alright, then you see auto assign from 1 to 5. This will assign the numbers to the devices. Then you close. Then you iphone dash dn 1. Now under this part, we are actually we want to assign the phone number to our iphone 1. Then you put the number. Let's say for instance the number is number or number will be anything, can be a number, so I'll be using 5555. Then let's do for iphone 2. A number for iphone 2 will be 6666. We can do for iphone 3, but I'll be using only 2 phones. And number for this should be use 5, use let's say 444. Okay, you can do it for like as many phone you want, for many number of phone you want to connect. Some switch has 24 ports, others has 16, others have 4 ports, others has 8 ports. So the number of switch you have, that will be number of, and number of phone connected to those switch, that will be number of uh, numbers you create, if phone numbers you create. Once you are done with this, I think we are done with the switch configuration. To the router configuration, now we'll go to our switch. Just minimize this, you click on the switch, go to your CLI, uh, enable conf t, and let's name it hosts. I'm just doing all this configuration for those that are new to it, so that you master it perfectly. So the host name will be s dash ss switch v VOIP. Switch VOIP. Now we don't have time to be configuring each interface, so we'll just do the whole interface. Let's say we are using like 5 interface. You say int f0 then /1 to 5. Okay, what's happening here? Sorry, you need to add range. You're configuring from range 1 to 5. So int f0 range f0 /1 to 5. Okay, now any configuration you do here will take effect for from f01 to f05. So you enable your VLAN. Say switch mode access. Move the mouse. Switch mode access. Switch voice VLAN visual LAN 1. I don't know what's happening today. Voice. So with this, you are done with your configuration. It's kind of long and the video is actually 2 parts. So let's go and add our phones. So you click on this, you search for your IP phones. Look at, we have one IP phone here. Click on it, you drop it. Take the second one, you drop. So now I promise I will rename it right. Let's rename it to Davido. Wizkid. Baba Yayo. Alright. Let me bring this one to the side. Okay. To cover this properly. Let's put it up here. Okay, let's take our connection to switch. This one config. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see if it will work, but I think I did something that I'm not supposed to do. Configuration I did from range 1 to 5. Alright. Why are they showing red? Okay. The reason why they are showing red, you need to put the power. You take the power cable, the adapter rather, and you plug it in. Click on this one, take the adapter, plug it in. Now if you hover around it, let's fast forward it. If you hover around it with your mouse, let's see. Okay, the IP address is not set yet. Let's go on this one. We'll see over around it and see if the IP, they are not set yet. Click on this once again and go up. Yeah, now you see that on this Davido, his number, the number of Davido's phone number actually is 555. Then let's check for Wizkid. Wizkid is 666 with IP address 1.0.0.3. So let's try and let's try and see if the video will call Wizkid to ask what's the problem. Why is it insulting all over on the social media? Uh Go to Agi. The Wizkid number is 666. Let's see. 666. Oh yeah, hit it up, Davido. Whoa, it's ringing. Let's go and see if Wizkid will pick. I'm sure you can hear the sound of it. Yeah, it's ringing. See, ringing out. Wizzy. Maybe this why they call me now. Why is the video calling? And I'm sure that's what Wizkid will say. My pick waiting, my till I die on top. Let's go. They are connected. Now they are settling their differences. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you learn more. So we'll be bringing more tutorials, more hand on deck, more skills. Mostly to be configuration. There will be no theoretical aspects. If you don't understand, you just go and use your Google or your AI to learn about VOIP. And this is how the configuration has been done. You just go to your, you can try it. You don't need to have all the IP address. That's why you have a packet tracer to stimulate all this configuration and all this connection to see how it works. So just go to and try it. Follow the step. You can change the figures, you can change, but just follow how the step-by-step configuration of how I did it, and you are good to go. Thank you.